What's up, visionary? Welcome to the Aligned 30-Day Challenge. I'm super excited to have you here. This dashboard is going to be your home for the next month. This is a space that's dedicated entirely to your relational intelligence and personal growth. But before we hop into the features, I'm Tanya, one half of TNL.J Relationship Coaching, and I have to take a quick moment to express my deepest gratitude to my husband. He's the brilliant mind who built this app from the ground up. He took our shared vision for healing and connection and turned it into this digital home. It really is a labor of love from our family to yours. It's a beautiful thing, but guess what? No matter how beautiful it is, if you don't get in here and take some action, nothing will change. If nothing changes, nothing will change. So let's hop into the features. If you can see here, we designed this here to actually reward you for doing the emotional work. Up here in the top left, you can see your current rank. And right now we're looking at architect. This is the architect level. Every time you engage with a lesson, complete a reflection, or show up for yourself, you earn XP, which is experience points. You can see your progress bar filling up right here. All right. Over here to the right is your day streak. Right here. Consistency is the secret sauce to changing relationship patterns. So keep this day streak flame lit. All right, so below here is like your status timeline. This is going to track your journey through the 30 days. You can slide through to see what's coming. Like you see here, we on day 1. You can go to 2, 3, 4. You can go see what's coming, or you can go back to see how far you came. Okay. Now, if you look here, we currently at 60% progress on this specific track. So this definitely feels great visually to look at. It's eye candy to see 60% progress. Okay, so let's go down to talk to Vision. Vision, who is Vision, you ask? Vision is your AI relationship coach, ready for you 24/7, because we know that this work can bring up a lot of unexpected feelings, and there are hours. And that's one of the reasons we created Vision. If you stuck on a concept or you just need to vent before you get to journaling, click start session right here. Vision ready to listen. He ready to help. He ready to help you progress so you can get the best out of this app. I'm sorry, he ready to help you process and progress, because he will help you with the journaling too, but we'll get to that. So you can get the very best out of this app and 24/7. Now, when you come here, this is the core. This is the core. This is the essence of why we do this. I call this the heart. It's the heart of the challenge, your daily lesson. As you can see, this is week 1, day 1, and it focuses on who or what are the key influences. And we structure this to take you deep fast, but you can take your time. Today's lesson, you want to first expand the tab to read the core teachings for the day. So you read here, you got a scripture here, daily micro actions, and you got a required tool, your relationship map. We'll also, you can open it here, but there's another way you can open it as well, and we'll get to that. Okay, so next, you got the deep dive here. If you're ready for more, click here to go deeper into today's topic. This is where the real shift happens. Knowledge is great, but application is better. Every day, Lamont and I give you specific prompts. For day one, we're asking you to look at the top people you interact with most and identify what habits or media consumes your energy. Once you set with those questions, then you want to click here for your daily reflection. Capture your thoughts here. And when you do that, you not only clear your mind, but you also lock in an extra 10 points. As you can see here. All right, you get to say how you feeling: excited, happy, calm, neutral, you anxious, sad, angry. And if you get caught up here, because we know, there's times where people just can't think about or even write about how they truly feel. So guess what? Vision can also help you with processing this, okay, and help you with your journaling. Vision is awesome, okay? Okay, so when you're done, you'll see this satisfying day one is complete message. So let's hop into the sidebar over here. Remember that your journey is supported by the tools here on the left. Right here. You click here, you got your phases, 30-day relational blueprint, track your progress through the 3 phases of realignment. You got your relationship map, and this is the one I told you that you can get to, that we'll come back to. You can come here and also get to your relationship map. You can visualize your future on your vision board. You can even track your specific goals and tasks. You also have AI coach. You got vision, yeah. You got vision, but guess what? Depending on how you feel that day, you might not want to talk to vision. You might want something a little softer, like a friend. So you can click here to get a softer tone. Or you can get a mentor. And if you see down here, the mentor is calm and encouraging, a patient teacher who helps you find your own answers. Whereas the friend, casual and relatable, a peer who walks beside you and keeps it real. So you have all these options. You also got refer and earn. All right. So once you in, make sure you explore these tabs. They are here to help you organize the insights you gain from all the daily lessons. And that's your walkthrough. I am so grateful to be on this journey with you, and so is Lamont. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you to Lamont for building this. And thank you to yourself for showing up. Let's get aligned.